I am blessed to be born in Ponorogo, to grow up in the magical city that full of historical stories and culture. In 1960 until 1970, Ponorogo was the largest center of batik industry in the Matraman area. It is proven that there were 750 batik craftsmen in Ponorogo at that time. However, as the time goes by, the development of batik Ponorogo has decreased significantly. So as the voice of young generation, I would like to engage them in preserving the national cultural heritage that has legitimated by UNESCO on October 2, 2009 as the intangible cultural heritage of humanity called BATIK. I'm Frida Alfajri, 19 years old, law student of Brawijaya University, proudly representing Ponorogo in DUTA BATIK Jawa Timur 2022.